Morning. So, if you want to be successful, pag-aralan mo yung mga successful people. Yung mga tao na talagang ginawa nila yung mga dapat nilang gawin. And they become successful. Huwag mong tingnan yung mga tao na at your age, tapos wala namang ginawa. Because, malilito ka. Napakarami nila. And knowing what to do to become successful, you have to look your choices. Sino yung mga tao na dapat mong gayahin, lalo na yung mga habits na ginagawa nila. Pag titignan mo yung tao mo successful, madali mo lang siya matatandaan at makikita, kasi dahil konti lang yung mga successful people, and almost sabihin natin mga 1 to 2% or 3% of population ang successful, and the other percentage is average people. So if you want to know, the first thing that we should do if we want to be successful, we have to study what other successful people did. Kung ano yung ginawa nilang paraan, yung ways nila, yung system nila, yung character nila, yung habit nila, so that we have the idea where to start. Ano yung dapat nating gawin, ayusin sarili natin para maging successful tayo. So, huwag mong tingnan yung mga tao na hindi successful. Tingnan mo yung tao na kung gusto mo maging successful, yun yung tignan mo yung mga tao na successful. And we have to study what they did and what they are doing for us to know ano yung mga kailangan nating ayusin sa sarili natin, ano yung mga kailangan natin gawin para ma-achieve natin yung mga dapat ma-achieve kagaya ng meron sila. And it will really help you. That can really push you sa mga goal, sa dream na gusto mong marating sa buhay. And we are looking for the treasure na, di ba gamit natin yung matma pagka naghahanap tayo ng treasure, and kahit andyan na yung mapa, sa harapan natin, minsan naghahanap pa tayo ng ibang way kung sa tayo titingin. So itong map na to, ito yung titignan mo para ito yung mag-lead sa'yo papunta dun sa successful way na gusto mo. But you have to use the right map, and that is yung mga successful people, kung ano yung mga ginawa nila for them to be successful. Wag mong titignan kung ano yung ginagawa ng karamihan. Why? Because malilito ka maliligaw ka, and marami sila. Because they are not doing difference like what doing the mga successful people, and most is we're doing the average thing. So you have to make a difference. You want to start, go, you should know what is the right person, what is the right map that you can use. Look at the lifestyle, the way they look, the way they move, the habits, and what they do for them to become successful. Thank you, and God bless.